If you're looking for Coleman coffee maker, here's a collection you've got to see. The most popular 2017 Coleman coffee maker and accessories. Number 1, Most Popular, by Coleman. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, another great product by Coleman. Number 3. For more info about these Coleman products, just click the circle. Number 4. Number 5, also by Coleman. Find these Coleman coffee maker at up to 70% off by clicking the info circle. Number 6. Number 7. Click the description below to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8. Number 9. Discover more Coleman coffee maker ideas and items to explore, click the circle in the corner. Number 10.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.